Hello everyone, I am back with another new video. Amazon is providing a great opportunity for 2025 and 2026 graduates, that is Hack-On with Amazon Season 4. This video includes mode of hackathon, registration fee, eligibility, eligible countries, stages and timeline, eligibility criteria and team formulation, competition structure, rewards and prizes, dates and deadlines. Let's get into the video. Before registering into this hackathon, you must have to log in the Unstock. So when you click on this login, it will be activated to the Unstock. So in this Unstock, you have to sign up and you have to fill your basic details in your profile. Then next, you can register here. So this is one of the best opportunity for 2025 and 2026 graduates. And coming to the mode of hackathon. So this hackathon will be conducted in online mode. And coming to the registration fee, so it is completely free of cost. And here you can see 5,567 members are registered in this, and 30 less left for the registration deadline. And that your team size should be 2 to 4 members. It means your team should be consist of either 2 members, 3 members or 4 members. It means not greater than 4 and not less than 2. Nothing but you can't participate individually. And coming to the eligibility, so all engineering students are eligible, and undergraduate students and postgraduate students. So this is the eligibility and eligible countries. So the eligible countries is only India. Next, you can see here there are rounds and timelines. Hack-On with Amazon Season 4 stages and timelines. So the first is eligibility check. Registered participants will undergo a screening based on specified eligibility criteria. A team needs at least 2 eligible members to move to the coding round. So first there will be the eligibility check, and uh, if the team members are eligible, then you can move to the coding round. So participants who fail to meet the eligibility criteria will not able to continue with the challenge. So when you pass this eligibility check, then only you can move to the coding round. And next coding round, all the eligible teams will have to attempt this coding round. Participants will have 90 minutes to solve 2 questions. So 2 questions will be given, and those 2 questions you have to solve in 90 minutes. Please note, each team member must attempt and clear the coding round individually to eligible for the evaluation and for the team to qualify. So individually you have to clear this coding round. Then only your team will be qualified to the next round. So for this, the start date is 28 May 24, and the end date is you can see the time here. It is 3 p.m. and 11 p.m. So between this 3 p.m. and 11 p.m. only you can clear this coding round. And some guidelines are also given here. So timeline and questions assessment window is given 28 May 24 3 p.m. to 28 May 2024 to 11 p.m. And the assessment duration is 1 hour 30 minutes, nothing but 90 minutes. You can attempt the assessment anytime between the provided assessment window. And you can see all that here. And marking every participant or the team will be ranked on the maximum score of the submission and submission time. This means that if 2 participants or the team have the same score, then the participant or the team will that finished earlier will be ranked higher. So if, for example, if the participants or the team they are having the same score, then they will see the who finished earlier. So that team or the participant will be ranked higher. And you can see here some restrictions are given here. So these rules you must participate, and some key instructions are also given here. So these are the guidelines for the coding round. Next is the idea submission. the shortlisted teams where all the members have cleared the coding round. So when you have cleared this coding round, then you are eligible for the idea submission round. So whoever cleared this coding round, so those shortlisted teams will be expected to submit an idea related to themes that are similar to real world business problems faced by the Amazon. So this is a theme that similar to the real world business problems faced by the Amazon. So on this they have to submit a idea. Click the brief or case button to download your submission templates and the theme. So for this the start date is 30 May 2024 and end date is 9 June 2024. The next is prototype submission. Shortlisted teams will be required to make prototypes of their idea submitted in the idea submission phase. The teams will get an opportunity to interact and virtually present their prototypes to Amazon tech leaders. So this is the prototype submission, and for this the start date is 13 June and end date is 22nd June. Next is the grand finale. So top team shortlisted from the prototype submission phase will get an opportunity to go through the mentorship program with Amazon tech leaders. So on the day of the grand finale, shortlisted teams will present their ideas to jury members from various teams of Amazon like Amazon Web Services, Alexa, Amazon Pay and many more. So the grand finale will be held virtually and that will be announced very soon. So this all rounds will be conducted in online mode itself. So you can also read about the Hack-On with Amazon season 4. And now the eligibility criteria and team formulation. So here you can see, please refer to the list of eligible institutes on our microsite. Team members in a team can also be from different institutes, year of graduation, specialization courses. So they can be from different courses, different graduation and different institutes. So graduation year is it should be 2025 and 2026. So if you're passing out your uh, graduation in 2025 and 2026, then you are eligible for this to participate in this hackathon. Next, the degree is given here: MTech, BTech, MTech, integrated dual degree MCA, and eligible branches include computer science, information technology, circuital, that is electrical and electronics, and affiliated branches. Next, the CGPA must be above 6.5. 6.5 CGPA and above throughout in undergraduation. And each team must be made up of 2 to 4 members. So this is mandatory. Your team must consist of 2, 3 and 4 members. Next, a participant is required to collaborate with a minimum of one more participant to form a team. So individually you can't participate in this hackathon. Participants can be members of one team only. The Amazon jury will make the final decision about the winners and it will be binding. Each of the team members have to individually eligible as per the criteria mentioned to move to the coding challenge stage. So here the all the team members should be individually eligible as per the criteria. So to move to the next round, all the team members has to be eligible. In case you have a disability, please write us with your accommodation request for us to make this hackathon journey seamless for your supported. So you can write to them if you have any disability. So we are having note, CGPA details are mandatory for all participating team members. And let's see about the competition structure. So that is all, we are having 5 rounds. So the first is coding round. Eligible teams will have to attempt the coding challenge. All the team members are required to take the coding challenge. Shortlisted teams will be released on the leaderboard post to the coding round, and participants will have 90 minutes to complete this challenge. So each team member must attempt and clear the coding round individually to be eligible for the evaluation and to qualify for the idea submission phase. So the next round two will be idea submission round. So shortlisted teams from the coding round to submit their ideas after choosing a theme. The themes and submission template are to be downloaded from brief or case icon given in the round description. Submission is to be uploaded in PPT or Word or PDF format, and the maximum file size should consist of 15 MB. The next is the round three, prototype submission round. So shortlisted teams will be required to make prototypes of their idea submitted in the idea submission phase. The teams will get an opportunity to interact and virtually present their prototypes to Amazon tech leaders. And the next will be a grand finale. Top teams shortlisted from the prototype submission phase will get an opportunity to go through the mentorship program with Amazon tech leaders. And on the day of the grand finale, shortlisted teams will present their ideas to jury members from various teams of Amazon, like Amazon Web Services, Alexa, Amazon Pay, and many more. The grand finale will be held virtually. Next, after this competition structure, we are having rewards and prizes. So, rewards attractive cash prizes to be won. The first winner will have the prize worth of 1 lakh, and also an opportunity to experience a day at Amazon. And the first runner up will have the prize money of 75,000, and second runner up will have the prize money of 50,000. Next, we are also having mentorship for the top 8 teams, specs for the top 8 teams, the Titan, the top 75 coders, and exciting prizes. The Wonder Woman top 50 male coders will give the exciting prizes. Female coders will get the exciting prizes. The Trailblazer top 25 fastest coders will get the exciting prizes. So these are the rewards and prizes. So what are the important dates and deadlines? So first is registration deadline. So to register into this hackathon, the deadline is 25th May 2024, and the coding challenge is 28th May 2024. So these are the two important dates and deadlines. Next, you can also contact the organizers if you have any doubt. And the rewards and prizes are given here, and you will also get a certificate along with this. You can check about the Amazon. Like, you can also see the frequently asked questions here. So how can I participate this competition? Please click on the register button present to the top right corner of the opportunity page to participate and enter your details. So through here you can register. So just are there any prerequisites or eligibility criteria for participation? So you students who are graduating in 2025 and 2026, they can participate here, and the degrees can be anything here, and also the acceptable branches are given here. Can I change my team members after registering for this competition? So until the registrations are open, you can change your team members. So you're not able to update it once the first round gets live or the registrations are closed. And some questions are also given in the code contest and regarding the submissions. So you can also go with this. So this is one of the very useful for engineering students. And if you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Provide this link in the description. You can register from there.